Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Test Automation World. I am Pavan Suryavanshi and I'll be taking you through various topics of automation testing process. So in today's tutorial, I'll be giving you an introduction about Java programming language and live basic example. I hope you will enjoy watching video. So today we will cover topics regarding what is Java, then second one is Java example, then third one is parameters used in Java program, and the last one is live example. So let's have a glimpse on what is Java. So Java is a class based object oriented programming language. It is a general purpose programming language made for developers to write once, run anywhere. That is, compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java. And Java was developed by Sun Microsystems, which is now a subsidiary of Oracle company. So it was developed in 1995, and James Gosling is known as the father of the Java. So before Java language, before Java, it name was Oak. So Oak was already a registered company. So James Gosling and his team changed the name from Oak to Java. The Java codes are first compiled into bytecode. Bytecode is a machine independent code. So then the bytecode runs on Java virtual machine. So in this process, when we create the Java program, so Java code, it has a process that is compiler. So compiler has converted the Java code into bytecode. So and bytecode run on Java virtual machine. So the second last point is Java syntax is similar to C or CPP programming language, but Java does not provide low level programming language like pointers. Also, Java codes are always written in the form of classes and objects. And another point is Java is used in all kinds of application like mobile applications, uh, desktop applications, web applications, server client server applications, and enterprise applications. So yes, so this is what is Java concept. uh, so second one is Java example. So let's have a quick look at Java programming example. A detailed view of this example is available in next page. So the basic example is I have created a basic example, that is class hello world, and in this there are various parameters. So in this I have declared main method, that is public static void main. So in bracket we have to declare its string array and arguments. So we will discuss one by one these points in next page. And in the curly braces I have declared system.out.println, and I have printed a simple message. So I'll give you an live example on Eclipse application. So hold on. So this is the Eclipse workspace, that is Eclipse IDE. You have to install Eclipse IDE. So I'll give you a link of Eclipse IDE in the description. So you can download Eclipse, and before that, before run Java program, you need to install JDK as well. So on to install JDK, on Windows or Linux, as well as what can I say, Apple MacBook. So that is so that three links I'll provide you in the description. So let's have a glimpse on a simple example. So in this, we have to navigate to File, then New, then Java Project. So you will see a pop-up that is create a Java project. So you have to give a project name. Suppose I am giving project name as first code, and there are a lot of options over here. That is default app, default location, then JRE. So over here Java version has been declared over here, and you need to select project layout as well. So over here it has selected as create separate folders for sources and class files, and you can create a module as well. So as per the requirement you can select several options over here. So you can click on next. So you can see, friends, in this project, source folder has been created. So in this source folder you have to create package, and in package you need to create class. So I'll show you. So that's it, and you need to click on finish. So friends, as you can see, first code, that is project first code, is created, and in this as you can see, JRE system library has been installed automatically. When you install JDK, then library has been installed automatically, and as you can see, source folder has been created. So under source folder you can create package, then suppose so you need to first start with com, and then dot. Suppose I'm giving name as first program, then so you can see over here source folder, so first code slash src, so source folder's path has been declared over here, and you can create package info as well, and I'm clicking on finish. So as you can see, friends, package has been declared over here under source folder. So under package you have to create a class. So as you can see, the class pop-up has been displayed over here. So in this there are several options or information has been declared, that is source folder, and package name has been declared, which you have given under source folder. So you have to enter name, and there is another option, that is modifiers. You can declare modifiers such as public, then yeah, and super class as well, java.lang dot object. So I'll explain this concept in the later sessions. Object, friends, object is a parent class of all objects. Sorry, object is a parent class of all classes in the Java. So I'll provide you the detailed description in the later session. You can create, you can select public static void main as well over here. You can select constructors from superclass. You can select inherited abstract methods, and you can add comments as well. So suppose I'm giving a name, uh, class name, code first. So I'm giving class name as code first. Then click on finish. So as you can see, friends, under packages folder, class has been created in the extension of .java, that is code first .java. And as you can see over here, so package has been created, that is com dot first program. And in the next line, class has been declared public class code first. So at the time of creating class, we have selected public access modifier, so that is it has been declared over here public class code first. So I'll write a simple program, public static void main. So I'll write a simple message. So I have declared pub main method. So we have to declare public static void main method, and in bracket we have to declare string array and arguments. So I'll explain each and every word in the next page in PPT. And over here system.out.println, and I have written a simple message, welcome to test automation world. So when we run this program, so you can view the message as welcome to test automation world. So I'll save first. So save, and you have to run by right clicking on this page, run as Java application, and you can run from here as well. Run code first .java, that is class name. So run as Java application. So as you can see, friends, in console page, the message has been printed over here, welcome to test automation world. So friends, so I'll give you a detailed description of this access modifier, and then static void main, what is public, what is system, what is out, what is println. So I'll move to my presentation. So we have just written a program, that is hello world. So in first hold on. So in first program, I mean, so that is a class, and so class is a keyword which is used to declare a class in Java. And the second one was hello world. So we have declared a class name. So hello world, it is an identifier, that is the name of the class. The entire class definition include all of its members will be between the opening curly braces. So we have to declare the class name. and in opening in curly braces we have to declare public static void main. So the third one is public. So public is the access modifier, which is visible to everywhere. So it means it is visible to all. And so the second one is static keyword. So static is a keyword. If we declare any method as static, it is known as static method. The core advantage of static method is that there is no need to create object to invoke the static method. The main method is to execute by JVM, so it doesn't require creating an object to invoke the main method, so it saves the main memory. So when we call static variable or static method, so we don't need to create object in the program. So I'll explain this static concept in later session. And the next one is void. So void is the return type of the method. It means it doesn't return any value. So there are a lot of return types. So void is one of them. I mean, in this it doesn't return any value. And next one is main. So main represent the starting point of the program. And next one is string. So string is actually an array of java.lang.string type. So it is a simple string array. So I'll explain string session as well in the later video. And the next one is arguments, that is it has declared args. So it contains the supplied command line arguments as an array of string objects. So you can declare any command line arguments, but a lot of developers and automation testers used to explain args. And the last one is system.out.println. So system in this, I mean, it is used to print statement. So over here system is a class, and out is an object of the print stream class, and println is a method of the print stream class. So this is the explanation of the program. uh, Class hello world, and then public static void main, string array, and command line argument. And in this method we need to declare any message, or we have to declare any variable or method, and we can call object as well. We can create object as well. So we will discuss these points in the later session. So yes, this is the first program. So thank you guys. So let me know in the comment section. Yeah, thank you. See you in the second session.